an age of darkness, light appears, and it wards away the ancient fears. Much to the anthem of the heart, to a brand new day, a brand new start.